Hey guys, I'm David. I want to show for you our project. Our project name is WeaveSwap. We use Chainlink CCIP. We support cross-chain ERC20 token for user. You can see this our website. We support 6 chains. You can see here, for example, Avalanche, Optimism, Mumbai, and Sepolia. So you can hear we deployed all contracts on this network. So you can look this picture. You can know how to work. So for example, Alice wants cross-chain one USDC token from Avalanche Fuji to Polygon Mumbai. So first, Alice need approve and fund one USDC token to source chain sender contract. And next step, Alice will call send message function in source chain sender contract. The source chain sender contract will call router through Chainlink CCIP to destination chain on Polygon Mumbai. The destination receiver contract receive this data will call withdraw token function in liquidity pool contract. And the liquidity pool contract will send one USDC to Alice. So we can go to our website. So first I connect launch app. So source chain I choose Mumbai, a destination chain I choose Sepolia. So I can put amount, approve, because we want cross-chain ERC20 token. So first we need approve. So select approve. I just connect approve. So because our front end not finished yet, so there is Avalanche Fuji. You can see this is my contract source chain sender. So Alice first need approve and then call fund function, and the next step he need call send message function, put these parameters, and you can check here the cross-chain status is successful. So we can go to liquidity pool contract. We can check events. There have events, and you can see here there have transfer from this liquidity pool contract to my wallet. And so Alice call fund function and send message function in this contract. This contract will send the data to this chain receiver contract. Receiver contract will call withdraw token in liquidity pool contract, and the liquidity pool contract will send one USDC to Alice, right? So, and you can check our code. This is source chain sender contract fund function, and send message function. This is parameters. You can see our liquidity contract. Okay, so thank you for your time. Thank you.